All right, this is the freight elevator at Macy's home, White Marsh Mall. This used to be Lord & Taylor. This was installed by Lord & Taylor. This is actually overhead hydraulic. Doors do open automatically. £6,000. This thing hasn't ran in a while. You heard the giant jolt when it started. There's the phone. That door slammed anyway, even though I tried to stop it. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. Look at that cold plate. Passenger elevator was removed. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed.